know that everyone loves to listen to music, especially doing so every single day? We listen to music everywhere we go and in everything that we do. We make sure that there's some type of music playing in the background, at least for most of us. But did you know that by doing all of these things, you can actually get paid for it? Yep, you can get paid to listen to music while you go for a walk or maybe a jog or doing absolutely anything for that matter. In today's video, we're going to be talking about a strategy wherein all you're going to do is press one button, play your favorite song, go about your day like you normally would, and get paid all at the same time. You're literally going to earn cold hard cash just to listen to your favorite songs. Our method is 100% working, it is 100% free, and it is available to everyone from all parts of the world, even in the most remote areas. So this method is for anyone and everyone. Our method is also very beginner friendly because it requires no technical skills or prior experience whatsoever, so basically the greatest method of all time. You're going to discover how you're going to be able to earn money by doing basically nothing, which is just awesome. We're going to be dropping some tips and tricks all throughout today's method so that you guys can triple your income and do more with what you earn. Just imagine the life that you're going to have when you're able to basically earn on complete autopilot. Just let the song play and the money flow in as well. So if you don't want to miss any of that at all, then make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. First, we have Current.us, and to actually start making money with this app, all you have to do is listen to music. You can earn rewards while doing absolutely anything, as you can see over here, and you can download this on your mobile phone whether you're an Android or an iOS user. You can download this straight into your mobile device and literally take it anywhere and everywhere with you. Now let's go through this website really fast. So basically you can play your favorite music, you can earn more points the more you play, and you can spend your points on in-app features or gift cards to your favorite services. You can search and play from 100,000 plus radio stations. You can earn points by playing your favorite music. You can spend your points on favorite brands and just start earning. It's very simple, quick, and direct, which makes this website even better than it already is. To our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know, so make sure that you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Now let's continue. Now some facts here are how do I earn? So the more you play, the more you earn. Everyone who signs up can play curated radio stations in Current and earn in-app points called points. During the media playback, you'll encounter several opportunities to generate points. We're constantly adding more ways to earn, so look out for important updates. How do I earn more per play? With every tap of the play button, you can earn points. The speed at which you earn is based on how much of your profile has been completed and how long you are consuming. Our most valuable users play frequently and share preferences generously, and we want to reward them for their contributions. Just download the website, create an account, and boom, there's your money coming in like wildfire. So that's basically the rundown of this whole webpage. Now let's assume that you've already downloaded the app on your mobile device and you've created yourself an account and all the jazz. You can now open up music.youtube.com and let's talk about how you can start making money by listening to music. As you can see, there are a ton of songs on here that you can literally just click play and listen to right away. But we're going to teach you how you can actually use this method to its fullest potential in terms of earning the most money possible. You can open up a random playlist, and this is mine. This isn't random because I've actually been listening to this playlist for a long time now because there are already a ton of songs in one, and there are all songs that I love and genuinely enjoy listening to. Basically, having a playlist is great because you already have as many songs as you can possibly choose from and favorites in one place. And you can just play it, and the playlist will just play on and on, all of your chosen songs. So it minuses the hassle of searching for a song and having to press play and choosing another song again after song and after song. So this is great because it'll only take a while to do, really, all in all. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. When you're done creating or completing your playlist, it should end up looking like this. Next thing you want to do is making sure that your whole playlist is on repeat. Which means if YouTube has gone through all of the songs in the playlist already, it will automatically play the entire playlist again, just like the first time. So another save from the hassle because you won't have to keep checking YouTube if it's already repeated or not yet. So make sure you do that. And non-stop playing music means non-stop moving cash, which is exactly what we want. Don't get it mixed up though, YouTube will not be paying you a dime because it's actually Current that's going to be paying you. And basically, you're going to link your Current account to the playlist that you have in your YouTube account so that Current can track whenever you're playing music from your playlist, from YouTube Music, and then they can pay you in return. So make sure that you do that if you don't want to waste any of your precious time. Another strategy you can do in being able to play lengthy songs and of different variety of songs resulting to longer listening time is actually looking up YouTube videos that play a whole ready-made playlist, and those that go for about an hour. So if you don't have time to create like 10 different playlists of your own, then you can simply just look for a compilation on YouTube, and that should be the perfect fit to making the most money. Now this is obviously the easier alternative, but whatever you're gonna choose, it's completely up to you. Either is gonna be great and either will work just fine. What's important is that your accounts are linked, and that's something that you have to double, triple, quadruple check just so that you can make sure that your money is coming in and your efforts are not wasted, so that the money that's rightfully yours you will really receive. So make sure that you try today's method out, and that is basically everything. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.